In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord language. This is a quick, simple adjustment that can make Discord feel more comfortable to use, whether you're learning a new language or just prefer to navigate in your native one. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen means, and share a few tips so you feel confident changing it back at any time. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area with your avatar and username. Right next to that is a small gear icon. This gear opens User Settings, which is where all your personal app preferences live. Go ahead and click it. Inside User Settings, you'll find a long list of categories on the left side. Scroll if you need to, and look for the section labeled Language and Time. This is the place that controls not only your app's display language, but also the way dates and times are shown. Click Language and Time to open that page. At the top of this section, you'll see a drop-down menu for language. Click the drop-down, and you'll get a list of available languages, each written in its own native name. That's helpful because it makes it easier to recognize the language you want, even if your current interface is in something else. Now select your new language from the list. As soon as you click, Discord will switch the interface to that language. Menu items, buttons, and labels will update right away, and you're done. If you're testing out a language or you changed it by accident, don't worry. The gear icon for user settings stays in the same bottom left spot, and the language and time section remains in the same place within the sidebar. You can return to this page the same way and pick your original language again from the drop-down. Because languages are listed in their native names, it's usually easy to spot the one you want to switch back to. A quick note on what changes and what doesn't. Adjusting the language affects the Discord interface on your device, not other people's apps or the text of messages in your servers and chats. Your notifications, menus, and tooltips will appear in the new language, and your time format may match the region commonly associated with that language. That's all there is to it. Click the gear at the bottom left, open Language and Time, choose your language from the drop-down, and you're set. Enjoy using Discord in the language that feels right for you.